In some years, the rain encourages so much grass seed in just one locality that the birds reach breeding condition quickly. The result? One of the savannah's most fabulous sights, a nesting colony of qualia. Crammed into a tiny patch of woodland are over 1 million breeding pairs. The chicks are out of the eggs in just 10 days, faster than any other bird in the world. All this commotion attracts marabou storks. For a short time, they can enjoy easy pickings. Qualia reproduce at a phenomenal rate. Their population more than doubles in just 1 month. But they can only breed in these numbers when there's enough grass seed available. It can be famine or feast in this unpredictable world. Both qualia and wildebeest move through the savannah in enormous numbers. But there's another species whose numbers are higher still. And they're here all year. To find them, we must travel into the night. They're termites. And there are so many, they provide food for one of the savannah's most voracious feeders. An aardvark, a shy creature and very rarely seen. Male aardvarks can weigh as much as a full-grown man. And all on a diet of ants and termites. His impressive bulk shows just how many there must be. Up to 10,000 per square metre. So what keeps these going? Grasses, leaves and dead wood. Every year, ants and termites consume 1/3 of all the plants in the savannah. And that's more than the elephant, wildebeest and zebra combined.